Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to explain one of the very nice tools, Zapier. So as the under side says, Zapier makes you happier. You can connect your apps and automate workflows, and it's very easy, and it has a lot of features and makes your life easier. If you already using it, that's cool. But if you're not using it, I recommend that you can take benefit of this uh, application. So the site is Zapier. If you sign up for this, I have already can sign up for an account. I have already created an account. I will log into my account. So once you log into your account, it will take you to the dashboard page. Here you can see the existing like workflows which already sample workflows which is created. You can use them like if you see this one is save new Gmail attachments to Google Drive. For example, you can create a Zapier workflow that save your Gmail attachment to your Google Drive. And for example, this one is save new Gmail emails matching certain traits to a Google spreadsheet. Send email via Gmail for new Google Forms submission. I mean, there are tons of other built-in workflows that you can use from them. You can see that if one of them fits your need, and if you see that the something which you want to automate which not existed here, you can create your own workflows that automate your tasks. So then you can see here we have the zaps. Okay, here you can create a new zap. We'll come back later. Once you create your own Zapier zaps, then they will be listed here, and the zap history and explore. Here you find ways for Zapier to handle repetitive tasks that you use every day. So, like you can see the other application which are integrated through Zapier and they are using. So let me come back to our dashboards, and okay, let's come to zaps. I will create a new zap. For example, you can use the existing one which already there. I will create a new one. So you can come here, you click create zap. Okay, here you select the apps that you want to create a workflow or zap. So I will, let's say if I see these are coming in, there are 2000 plus more of the apps. For example, the ones which you didn't see, let's say I want to take GitHub. Okay, let's say I will select the GitHub, and then I will choose here I will select the triggers. So if a new organization is created in my GitHub, or new repository, new branch, new notification, new mention, new comment, new issue, like if a new commit comment and new label, all these triggers which are available for the GitHub, you can select, for example, I will just select the sample one. Let's say new repository is created in my GitHub account. Then you can click next, continue, and then you have to log in or authorize Zapier to have access to your GitHub. You click sign up, then it will connect with your GitHub account. Let's test the triggers. You can test the trigger that it's working or not. Then it shows that, okay, this is the login, this is the ID, blah blah. I mean, it shows that it's working. So I'll click continue. Then I will select, for example, I want that once a repository is created in my GitHub account, I want to send an email. I want to receive an email, so I will select the Gmail, and then I will select, for example, send an email or create draft, create table. These all actions available for the Gmail. So I will select send email, continue. Okay, and then you have to again authorize Zapier to have access to your Gmail. Okay, let's sign up. I will select my user, allow access. Okay, once this is done, you click continue. Okay, here you can, for example, enter the email address that you want to receive email notification. For example, once a repository is created in my GitHub account, or any other GitHub account that you have access to, and you can authorize the Zapier to create workflows for. So I will put my own email address or any email you can set. And you can, for example, you can send it to multiple, you can CC someone else also, you can BCC, and then you can choose from email address. I will select my email address. Okay, I'll keep the others reply to this optional stuff as empty, and then in the subject line I can select the account, or I mean the URL, the description, whatever, which are available, I can select them. And let's say, and then for the body, again, let's say I want to select the description. Okay, and you can type like the body of email that you receive. I mean, you can type text header, a new report is created, details below. For example, you can do different kind of customization just to show you. Then you click continue, and here you can test and review. Okay, it says that an email is sent to Gmail just now. If I log into my Gmail, okay, you see header request created, details below. This is the new one that we just done. Here is the description of the repo. Can we program with multi-selection? For example, just the repository that I had on my GitHub account. So then you can turn on zip. Once we did the testing that it's working, you can turn on zip, or you can create different kind of actions also. Like I just did a simple one, but you can create quite complex actions here, and there are tons of other apps that you can use. So for that you can use and you can copy the link of your app, share it, and with your friends. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you had any questions or comments, uh, please leave it in the comment box. I will be glad to help you. So here, as we created the app, our zippers. If you go to my app, you can see the apps which are connected, and if you go to the zips, you can see the one, and also if you go to the history, we haven't run, it will show the runs which already, like the if it was run, because we created new, there's no history in this one. So you can disconnect your apps if you wanted, for example, disconnect. You can come here and delete it. Okay, and that's it. So you can create a lot of interesting automated tasks that makes your life easier with Zapier. Zapier makes you happier. Thank you so much. Have a good day.